Falling in love versus real love. Valentine's is near. Flowers, chocolates, sweet captions. Pero let me ask you this. Kung mawa ang kilig, love pa ba gihapon na? Kung mawala ang butterflies, magpabilin pa ba ka? Daghan paagi sa gugma, pero dili tanan in love kay real love na. In this video, at tuang sa taon, unsa gyud ang meaning sa falling in love, ngano dili siya forever, unsa ang difference sa kilig love versus chosen love, and unsa ang dapat nato i-consider before committing. If you're single, dating, engaged, or even married, this video might save you from emotional confusion this Valentine's Day. So stay tuned. Because right now, if you want real conversation about life, love, alignment, growth, and breakthrough moments, subscribe and hit the bell button. Because the Risa channel, we don't just talk about feelings, we talk about clarity, courage, and confidence. And maybe this is the clarity you need this Valentine's Day. Hi, my friends. My name is Froy. 2 years ago, I was teaching in a classroom setup with 40 to 50 students. I shifted my job online as an ESL teacher, teaching students across the country through online platforms. So I believe that we work in this world with different roles. Last year, 2025, I found my rhythm. I spoke with different people globally and connected thousands of entrepreneurs, coaches, and business owners with the same goals, the same mission, and the same values to make the world a better place. So, and I must say that I have been on the verge of my breakthrough. And through all these conversations, one thing keeps coming up: love, relationships, heartbreak, confusion. So today, let's talk about it honestly. Do you believe that falling in love is an emotional high? Falling in love is powerful. It's exciting, addictive. There's euphoric in it. Obsessed mode ka. Excuse me. You think about them before sleeping. Pag mata nimo, sila dayon nimong first thought. Everything feels magical. But here is the truth. Falling in love is not permanent. Research even shows it usually lasts around 1 to 2 years. It's chemistry, it's hormones, and it's emotional intensity. And that's okay. But problem starts when we think, kanina gyud, forever na ning a feeling. Falling in love, we see perfection, not reality. When you're in love, green flags looks greener. Red flags, murag pink ra. You ignore financial differences, emotional maturity gaps, value conflicts, family issues. Because love makes you feel okay ra na. We'll fix it. But once reality enters, annoying na ang cute before. Ang pagka-clingy nato mahimong controlling. And ang independent mahimong emotionally unavailable. That's when reality intrudes. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever experienced loving someone so much, but later realized you were just in love with the feeling? Comment below, kilig if naka-experience na kaani, or real if you believe love is more than emotion. I want you to know that real love is a choice. Here's where maturity starts. Real love is not just emotion, it is a decision. It is a commitment. It's part and parcel also the attitudes. Real love says, I choose you not because I feel butterflies today, but because I am committed to your growth and well-being. Love becomes intentional, not instinct, but discipline. Talking about emotional needs matter. We all have emotional needs. We want to feel accepted, valued, respected, heard, prioritized. When those needs are met, love grows. When they are ignored, love fades. So before you say, I love this person, why not just ask yourself, why not asking yourself, do we align in values? Do we communicate well? Do we resolve conflicts maturely? Do we help each other grow? Because alignment is more important than attraction. There is the love and alignment should go together. Sa akong alignment framework, love must align with awareness, leadership, that's focus about self-leadership, intentionality, growth, non-negotiables, maturity, emotional intelligence, needs understanding, trust. If love has no alignment, it becomes attachment. And attachment become growth leads to heartbreak. If you are confused in your relationship, healing from heartbreak, or preparing yourself for the right love, I created something for you. My alignment coaching sessions are designed to help you gain clarity, courage, and confidence in life and relationships. Because we because before you find the right person, you must become the right version of yourself. Message me or check the link in the description to join the next alignment batch. So, if this video gave you clarity this Valentine's, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and watch this next video on the screen where I talk about why alignment is more important than achievement. Remember, falling in love feels magical, but real love is intentional. And success in love, walay deadline. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.